Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best tires for comfort and noise that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is OKOHAMA ADVAN FLEVA V701 BW tire. The Yokohama ADVAN FLEVA V701 in size 205 by 40 for 18 rim diameter is made for summer use in performance cars and passenger vehicles. With a section width of 205 millimeters and load capacity of 1,169 pounds, it balances grip and stability during both dry and wet conditions. The directional tread design, along with a 4-ply rating, helps this model maintain consistent contact across various surfaces. Its tread depth of 9/32 and maximum pressure of 50 pounds per square inch make it suitable for spirited driving while maintaining comfort. The overall diameter of 18 adds to the sleek profile often desired in modern sports-focused vehicles. Designed for road environments, the ADVAN FLEVA V701 uses a compound blend that lowers rolling resistance while improving fuel economy. This tire is shaped to handle rapid changes in direction while helping keep the vehicle planted at higher speeds. The tread layout helps reduce sound levels, making long drives more enjoyable without sacrificing control. It also manages wet conditions well, directing water away from the center to avoid loss of contact with the road surface. Used mostly in city and highway settings, the combination of design elements supports smoother rides and sharp cornering. The materials and tread layout provide dependable traction and wear control, while also focusing on comfort and quiet operation. The Yokohama ADVAN FLEVA V701 suits those who prioritize stability and refined driving response during warmer seasons. In our list, the number 2 product name is BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO2 Radial Car Tire. The BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO2 Radial Car Tire size 31 by 10.50 for 15 rim diameter is made to support light trucks, crossover vehicles, and sport utility vehicles in multiple driving environments. With a load capacity of 2,270 pounds and a ply rating of 10, this option is built for heavier demands across varying terrain. The symmetrical tread pattern and 9-inch rim width allow for stable movement whether on city roads or paved trails. The tire reaches a maximum pressure of 50 pounds per square inch and has a diameter of 31. This layout helps improve long-term road handling and wear balance. Designed to keep control in conditions such as gravel, sand, dirt, or snow, it functions well during both mild and extreme seasons. The structure includes elements that reinforce the sidewalls, helping it manage contact with sharp debris and uneven surfaces. It is also created to maintain stability over long distances. The interlocking tread helps to improve traction by supporting the center and giving consistent grip through its shape. Its footprint is shaped to reduce uneven wear and extend usable life on a variety of road types. Whether driving on paved streets or exploring rough paths, the BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO2 offers a dependable balance of strength and driving confidence. The design aims to reduce early wear even in aggressive environments like rocky ground, supporting daily use or off-road travel with steady performance. In our list, the number 3 product name is Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 tire. The Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 tire with size 225 by 65 for 17 rim diameter is made to fit crossovers, sport utility vehicles, and light-duty trucks. With a section width of 225 millimeters and a tire diameter of 28.5, this option is well matched for daily use across different road surfaces. It carries a load capacity of 1,874 pounds and reaches a maximum pressure of 44 pounds per square inch. This tire comes with an asymmetrical tread design and a tread depth of 12-30 seconds, created to support traction and road contact throughout changing weather conditions. The rubber composition allows the tire to hold its shape and performance from start to end of its life. The tread layout and three-dimensional siping work together to assist in control across both dry and wet environments. Built with the goal of enhancing comfort, it works on a wide selection of vehicles, including models from brands like Acura, Audi, Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Jeep, Kia, Mazda, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Porsche, Ram, Subaru, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Volvo. Whether driving on dry pavement or wet roads, the Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 offers balance and dependable grip. The advanced compound contributes to a smooth and quieter ride while aiming to deliver consistent behavior across all seasons. Its structure supports longer journeys with even wear and stable handling, designed for performance in real driving situations. In our list, the number 4 product name is Continental Contact All-Season Radial Tire. The Continental Conti 4x4 Contact All-Season Radial Tire with size 275 by 55 for 19 rim diameter is designed for crossovers, sport utility vehicles, and light trucks. With a section width of 275 millimeters and a tire diameter of 30.9, it supports a load capacity of 2,403 pounds and can handle a maximum pressure of 51 pounds per square inch. This tire uses a symmetrical tread pattern and has a tread depth of 10-30 seconds, built to maintain contact and stability in dry, wet, and light snow conditions. Its structure allows for use during all seasons, offering reliable performance for drivers who travel throughout the year in various road situations. Some versions include self-supporting run-flat technology, which enables the vehicle to continue moving for a short distance even after a puncture. It is commonly tuned to fit luxury vehicles as original equipment, making it a reliable option for drivers seeking performance and safety. The Continental Conti 4x4 Contact focuses on balancing comfort and road response for both city streets and highway use. The black sidewall adds a clean and consistent look suitable for various vehicle styles. Drivers using this tire might value long-distance travel, family transportation, or everyday commuting. Its ability to handle light snow adds peace of mind in changing climates. This model provides a mix of control, comfort, and extended driving ability after punctures in select versions. In our list, the number 5 product name is Michelin CROSS CLIMAT 2 All-Season Tire. The Michelin Crossclimate 2 all-weather tire in size 205 by 55 for 16 rim diameter is designed to support a load capacity of 1,356 pounds and maintains a maximum pressure of 51 pounds per square inch. Built with a directional tread and a tread depth of 10-30 seconds, this tire is intended for consistent use throughout every season of the year. With a tire diameter of 24.9 and a ply rating of 4 ply, this model can suit various vehicles that need dependable traction and handling. The rim width of 7.5 inches provides solid fitment on compatible wheels. Its design emphasizes year-round usability, offering control and comfort for drivers in changing weather situations. Michelin has a long-standing commitment to mobility that supports both safety and sustainability. The brand has a reputation for creating products that fit a wide variety of vehicles, from motorcycles to heavy-duty trucks and even airplanes. This approach aims to keep drivers moving more efficiently while also supporting environmental goals. The Crossclimate 2 continues that focus by offering a balance of performance and reliability, suitable for daily commuters and longer drives in different conditions. This tire may appeal to drivers who want stability in both dry and wet conditions, along with reliable grip during colder seasons. It is created for all types of road surfaces with attention to safety, longevity, and adaptability. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.